Congress's commitment to Meghalaya, empowering the women of Meghalaya. 3,000 rupees every month to every single BPL mother in Meghalaya.
5 commitments na kasing Congress na kabinta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Hakaarhoy tarig rumpang uba John F. Rambai ulakrench kilat pathay khubor banpinshay halor ka Right to Information Act 8,000 san ba ulapan halor ka jingshalan pian jong udawyong but motion but kibay pat ka jingshalan pian hagi ars nemshi teng baladam nagaliang uba John Rambai uloong ba umla banya kun persya ya kani ka jingshalan pian namar ba Shanghai Secretariat ne ha Assembly Henry Uckerman balingba kani ka RTI kan penpau pat ba e kini ki kam syukur hapo ka jala haba krena kani ka singi ulapan pau ba ulapan ka RTI inquiry haka arkhandai trek nailur 8,000 arhoar nagatanat mining and geology jangka sarkar jala haka ba ya day bat ka auction ya udawyang da ka coal India haka RTI ulalap baka portfolio babat ya kani katanat kahap hapo ka jingpet jung menteri nang ba ka jala ukonra sangma u chairman uba jikur merthong bat kibai ki officer
alale eka RTI inquiry haka arput khandai tarik September anjar arpuar ka RTI jona ka di Department Mining and Geology Government of Meghalaya haka dia day but auction coal lale ka coal India langbaka DMR di kani ka department haka RTI ngalap baka portfolio babat kani department it is in the hand of kadega jipek yung chief minister jungi di kontrak sangma u chairman di ba jigur marthong bat ki officer ki banginon kam han bangun short teng ti haka RTI ka bangalap mga kani ka page ka baki respond nga kala long lupa violate of the norm ba ichisa ka RTI habang apan ha up kunda tarik September lade ban reply nga within given time kata ka isi benai hadre ki delay hadu kandai ko sngi kidang ai ka RTI nga ki seng nga haka arpu sau tarik December tik sawan shiti Christmas New Year ngadang i receive haka ya ka copy na po department hadu January sau tarik balik ile kunta namar ba nganam yo tan ban interfere ya kam bagi penya yo doyong kelas damar penya ka ar penyo tarik December da ka shalan jong ready sutengah tingat ong ipi menta ba kai ka point ka bangalap mga as per information RTI Act 2005 applied by me on 29 September from Mining and Geology Department which is under the portfolio in charge by our Chief Minister Sri Kongras Sangma the successful bidder of the auction of coal India Limited the successful bidder timun kiba bidding kiba job ega bidding itry salan kiba ngiong all over Meghalaya mdei tang na kriat no bas parok ko Meghalaya they are equally accountable nexus with the government to manipulate the system to be corrupted with the blessing of the government political vendetta political thief by the concerned department mining and geology along with the transport department minister in charge of mining and geology is our chief minister chairman Jigur Marthong transport department Sri Dasakyat Lamare point number 17 whether the mineral transport challan has been countersigned by the official of Coal India Limited post at the weight bridge of the designated depot give in detail of each countersigned mineral transport challan point 17 also is violated I have been asking information from the concerned department about countersign of the mineral transport challan kanir kilong violated the simple masyong iti ba it is clearly show that whatever illegal transportation is carried out is with full knowledge of Chief Minister and Minister in charge of Mining and Geology Kongras Sangma along with his advisor ex-transport minister hakaport jong iru kadoyong kalayak illegal that is nyaw halang dar menta udah sakiat ko dan government syuru last but not the least the groundwork for the illegal transportation this is very important if the government is complete the paperwork what about the groundwork who collect the money from the traders what we find according to evidence when we arrest truck along with Hito so many times we found that the amount of collection of money that is amounting 1 lakh rupees for 14 and 16 tire 60 ton is 1 lakh rupees what they have to whom they are paying this money they are paying at Kriyat. To MLA people, his close aid. Who is the MLA of Kriyat? You find out. His close aides are collecting the entry amount. And from West Khasi Hill, we find that Dominic Marthong. Who is Dominic Marthong? Dominic Marthong is related to Jigur Marthong. When we arrest truck, when we detain them, when we question the driver, Chalan is the name of Dominic Marthong. So I will tell here clearly that the violation of the SOP and the scam in Meghalaya is equally accountable by the bidder, successful bidder of the Chalan all over Meghalaya. Haegi kolek ruk matai di kapisa. Ladal ayah ki Guru Minister kendai pendriu hajar langi nyo pendriu hajar ha clear dia ha West Khasi Hill ha Wake Bridge ru hap sil pisa ar hajar tangka ha Wake Bridge wan jusung thu bakala bandon ki Guru ka DMR lani ki Guru jung ka transport department kin don ba ki Guru Minister ha po Wake Bridge ru kin le kumno kin check i truck number Teka pada ke duty jongki officer habang ngadon ke question ki officer nga sekali ki mo ki ong ile kuno ba jon ni hapsulong tam nong pekai ki di nagalian ki enforcement hapo ri bhairu kin try kami hapo kata nagalian ki inspector jong ka DMR ru kin try kami hapo kata ki try kami de ki Guru Minister ban check ki nomor kali ka bamdon ka nomor kali kemun kali ke basuban kan supisa either na po East Jaintia lanena West Jaintia. Tengilap baik badan kiti baik ki Guru Minister, bat buon fin kini kisalan kilong related baik bayo baik ki Guru Minister. Te kini kisalan hangne kila panyelam bak bakla, bak postung siom bang yak salan MP kat kum ka RTI hangne bat ngadon ka video footage ka bangala kan share ya ki sibit kalong ba during model code of conduct today 21st mentang ngadang wan anong po kitrok dan sahu kedang yai si totally ay bat meningit kumtaman gamit like cause of totally during model code of conduct last week kadang dek ban detain hapo kata Wake Bridge kadang don kajing ya kendang ya kita kiwan kita kitrok tiba klaim salan lada kali kidai kitrok high level the high level is very questionable topic wa onong iki dan kam si banyak through hapo social media high level hi kadai department mining and geology wala pat daw chief minister nang ta transport department lapat daw sekian and Home Minister laneka Law Department labat tiba la kemen rumboi. Te ngimen kaman ya kran ye taki Guru Juki bapni apok madan nomor gilitan ki leman ki taki close associate Juki. Te ka blame hi borok ngan blame sakane department. Ba kini ki political thief ki la pelong ya ka spa jong ka Meghalaya jong kayo ka pot jong ka state kum ka kamai ka ji Juki taki job MLA. Nakadaw na kum concern citizen nga shim ba nganya kun daw kulong borok san sina manis dawan kano government ru jaka ba tin ya bunkam ban ya le illegal ban ya kamai sa kapla ka jongpi ya kun penban ba pin penyok klo ya ka mining policy ka berap ya untuk usuk nginda pendeng sentiu lem kumta nginyumla masyong po sekretariat nama ngimla ngimde ki MLA tingin ya kun ni pina sabar ba don bok bangi don ni ka RTI don bok bangi don ni PK Media don bok bangi don ya ka kod badan burong lada dandon kum kini ki klempet ngan move syaput baik yaki Wake Bridge bat ikite department
ka jingkular ka TMC na ka benta ka Meghalaya ka jingpintik na ya ka laway bapranay an ai jing rap khat ara jarting ka shisnam shaman na ki long yeng jong ki khinna ki bapuliya ki school sarkar na markata ka TMC kan ai shilak tali ki laptop shabaro ki higher secondary bar ki khinna puli college ban krishan ya ka puli puthi ka baminta
hakane ka ap nyau trek urempang jan ya ka sap jong phi haki artli ki sentiu bat krishan ya ka Meghalaya TMC
Kapor ding ha Meghalaya ka lepman kapor Kongres ka kular Bandung du bor ding ha nong kendong ni hasar
Five commitments na kaseng Congress na kabenta ka 5-star Meghalaya.
Vote for your 5-star Meghalaya. Vote for Congress.